2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.